Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Chime to Apple Pay. In order to do so, first you will have to launch the settings of your iPhone device, and in the settings you just have to scroll down and then you need to tap on the option of Wallet and Apple Pay. Once I've done that, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see the option of Add Credit or Debit Card. So I simply need to click on it. After that, you will be redirected on this Add to Wallet page where among the given options, you will have to select the option of debit or credit card. Then on the next page, you will have to press continue. After that, in this frame, you need to align your Chime debit card in such a way so that it could automatically import its information such as your Chime credit card number, your name on card, and further information. If you want to enter your Chime card details manually, then you can select the option of enter card details manually in the bottom. After that, you need to provide your name on your Chime card, then your card number, and then you need to press next in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to provide further details relating to your card such as its expiration date and the security code, and then you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to first link your Chime card with Apple Pay. Now once you have linked Chime card to Apple Pay successfully, you will be able to easily make transfers using Chime to Apple Pay and from Apple Pay to Chime. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.